Guys, this is Sati Verma. There are so many materials to make the garden beds, but I have used a different material today, and that's what I wanted to show you. This is a composite board that we make the decks. I found this is more durable, and I've seen these garden beds of this is a 6-inch high, and 6-inch high garden beds in the market. I saw them selling for $100, somewhere north of $100, but this I found cheap. It was one length for $26, so on both sides it's $50. Plus I used a 4x4, if I can show you here, and I made a pillar of that and put a rebar in the ground, and then attached this 4x4 pillar, cut it for 6-inch length, and then attach these composite boards here. And now for this garden bed at the corner, it looks weird because of the shape of this composite board. If you cut it on one side, you'll see these different holes in here. So what I'm gonna do is I can find a corner from the hardware store and use a corner here. Here you can even use LED lightings and can put some LED lights. So one pillar here, and then there is another pillar somewhere in between at around 4 feet, then another pillar here. This is third, and this is the last. So we used 4 different pillars. Then I used, on purpose, I planted marigolds in it because this flower, marigold, attracts honeybees, which will be pollinating my vegetables in another bed. I used a landscape fabric, and this is coming out just in order to show you. Landscape fabric at the bottom of this flower bed. I filled it with 1/3 of peat moss, 1/3 composted manure, and 1/3 of garden soil. I didn't measure them, just used the estimates while I was filling this flower bed. And for the irrigation purpose, I'm using drip irrigation. This is a feeder line coming, and then I use the manifold. This is irrigation tubing, and the irrigation tubing I attach to a soaker hose that has already pre-drilled holes in it at 6 inches. Every 6 inch there is a hole, and then I made a circle for the entire flower bed. I just rotated that soaking hose twice or thrice. That is how I made this flower bed. It's coming beautiful, and it will be durable because it's a composite board that lasts for years and years, and it is quite affordable rather than buying $150 worth of flower beds. Those are available in the market, and it looks beautiful. And I can even use LED lights and can put some solar lights or LED, whatever it is, that can be used, and it will be quite an affordable flower bed. Thank you very much.